Reprocessing instructions for low-speed air-driven handpieces. Clean and lubricate the handpiece as soon as possible after treatment. Failure to properly maintain the handpiece may cause contamination, leading to infection, product failure, or overheating, leading to possible burn injuries. Always use personal protective equipment before the process. Remove the burr. Use disinfection wipes or an alcohol-soaked cloth to wipe the outer surface of. Remove the attachment from the motor and take it to the contaminated area of the sterilization room. Thoroughly clean the external surface of the attachment with a soft toothbrush under running water. Clean inside and around the chuck or the burr insertion hole using an interdental brush. Wipe it dry with a paper towel. Mount the spear-shaped nozzle that comes along with Panaspray and leave it on. If it's missing, you can order the nozzle using part number Z020010. Shake the can 3 to 4 times. Hold the can in an upright position. Insert the nozzle directly into the chuck and spray for 2 to 3 seconds. Mount the E-type nozzle adapter, part number Z019090. This goes on top of the spear-shaped nozzle and is used to lubricate the back of the attachment for the main lubrication. Note: make sure this O-ring is not missing. If it's not there, you'll need a new nozzle adapter to make sure the connection is perfectly sealed. Cover the head properly using a paper towel. Insert the nozzle to the back of the attachment all the way in and spray for 2 to 3 seconds until the clear oil comes out of the head. If you notice black debris coming out of the head, repeat this process again until the discharged oil is completely clear. Autoclave sterilization is recommended. Insert sterilizable components into a U.S. FDA-cleared sterilization pouch compliant to ISO 11607-1. Seal the pouch. Use this chart for temperature and timing. Immediately after the sterilization cycle, remove the attachment from the autoclave and store in a clean and dry location. And the process is complete. If you have any further questions, please visit our support site, nsktech-us.com.